So for the identity element, so let me start with simple example so that you will understand the identity element. Anytime question says find the identity element, note that identity element is E. As anytime you see this symbol E, the letter E here, it means identity element. So now in binary operation, this is the definition for identity element. So like S asterisk E will be equals to X. So this is definition for identity element. Anytime question say find the identity element, this is the definition. For example, if in question, if I have A asterisk B is equals to A square plus B, like this. So if question give me this operation and the question says find the identity element here, so the first thing I'll do is I'll say let the identity element be E. Remember this letter is identity element. Then I'll say A asterisk. Now the second alphabet, just change it to E. So that is A asterisk E. Instead of A asterisk B, you will write A asterisk E. So and the definition now is A asterisk E will be equals to A, as in like this. So this is the general definition. So but because we have A and B, so I will use A. So if your question is S asterisk Y is equals to S square plus Y, then your identity element will be S asterisk E. So you change the second one to E, then it will be equals to X. This is just a definition for identity element. So now let me solve the question complete now. So now let's say we have a binary operation like this: A asterisk B is equal to A square plus B. Find the identity elements here. First, you will represent the identity element as E. Now you will have A asterisk E will be equals to A. So this will be the definition for the identity element. Now what is A asterisk E? Remember you have A asterisk B is equals to A square plus B. If you compare these two, A asterisk E now, it means what? A is still A, but B is now E. So that means A asterisk E is now A square plus E, because A is A, B is E. Now from here we know that A asterisk E is A. That means this A asterisk E now will becomes A. So which is equals to A square plus E. So this one complete like this is A, as in look at it here, is A. So anywhere you see, just put A there. So now make E subjects formula now. So E is equals to A minus A square. Now this is the identity element. So let's solve more questions. Yeah.